In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Microsoft Defender Antivirus in Windows 11. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. So just go ahead to your search tab menu, then just type in Windows Security. And after you do that, just go ahead to the first result. Just go ahead, click on Open. And then after you click on Open, just click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then after that, just scroll down. After that, just click on Manage Settings. Then keep on scrolling down, turn off Tamper protection. As you can see, now it's turned on. Just tag a little off. And after you do that, just go ahead, close out of Windows Security. Go to your search menu, type in Registry Editor. And after you do that, just click on Open. So just give it a moment, and it will pop up for you. Then just go ahead to HKE Local Machine. Click on the arrow beside it. Then go to Software. Click on the arrow beside it again. Then just scroll down under Policies. Click on the arrow. Then click on the arrow beside Microsoft, or as you can see now, click on the arrow. Then select Windows Defender. Just double click on it. Then go to the right side, the right click on New, then click on the word 32-bit value. Then just type in Disable Entry Spyware. So after you type it, just hit Enter. As you can see right now, so now after that, just double click on it. Type in 1 in the value. Click on OK. And then just close out of Registry Editor. And then just go ahead, research your computer, and you should be all good to go. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.